Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of 0 for films, which is striking, especially with a momentum of plus 0.28. This unusual stagnation, against a backdrop of 19 semantic clusters, indicates that while discussions are active, opinions are surprisingly neutral. You might expect more excitement or negativity, but here we are in a state of equilibrium. With this data, our Film Sentiment API provides you with nuanced insights into current public opinion, allowing you to gauge audience reactions effectively. Imagine integrating this into your app to recommend films based on sentiment dynamics, helping users discover hidden gems or avoid poorly received titles. For more on how to leverage this data in your projects, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.